In today's video, I just wanna show you the simplest way to convert your PDF document into a editable format, which means you wanna convert your PDF document into Word document. So welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my educative videos. Thank you. So without wasting time, let's head over to the beginning of this video. I am going to start it from scratch to finish. So welcome. So I have a blank folder here. This is where I am going to start the project. This is how it works. Why I started it this way, for you to see these things clear. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to first create your Word document. I will just go ahead and right click here and go to new. Then I need to say Microsoft Word document. Click this one and let me just rename it as Word. Then hit enter. Then I will just right click on it. Either you right click or you right click and say open here, or you can go ahead and double click. Then yeah, we are good here. Let me zoom it a bit. Yes, so this is the blank Word document. So how are we going to have text in this document? We need to add we need to at least have let me say at least 5 pages of text in it. What we need to do, I will just go ahead and insert a formula here, which is equals to rand. This is for it to bring me paragraphs. Yeah, equals to rand, and in brackets let me say 20 paragraph, bracket close and say enter. Yeah, this that formula, I got this formula from the institution I went. Let me just start it a bit again. This is the formula. This formula was shown by my teacher. Yes, they taught me this, how to use this formula in only Microsoft Word. This formula only works in Microsoft Word, no matter the version. From 2010, I guess. Presently I'm using 2010. As you can see here, Microsoft Word 2010. So I guess it works to all the latest version. So this is the formula rand. Let me zoom it a bit. Equals to rand in bracket. If you want, you can put as many paragraph you want. You can say 100, 10, 5, 3, 1, 2. Just for me, I just say 20. Then I reduce the zoom into 11. Yeah, zoom into 11. So from here, I just need to hit enter. So here I have my pages now. I have 3 pages, 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'm okay with this one. So this is it. The next step here, we need to save this document. We already created the blank document. I rename it as Word here, so I need to hit save. Now the document is saved. So the next thing I need to do, I will just go here, file, go to the backstage view here, file, then go ahead and hit save as. From here, the next step, you go, yes, I want it this way. Let me just say PDF file. Then I need to save it under the convert folder. Make sure you go to the desktop and select convert. This is the folder I created, convert folder. Open it, then say there save. Then we need to select PDF. Save as type. This is what changes the format. This is what changes the type format you want to save your text. If you click the drop down to save as type here, then you can see as many formats as you want it. Let me just say yes, I'm interested in this one, PDF. You can go ahead. This we have many formats here. Yes, for today's I just need PDF format. Okay, so these are the following formats we have here. Yes, for today's I only need this PDF. Then rename it as PDF here. Then make sure the folder is in the right place where you want it. Then you will select any folder you want to save. This will be available to you. This is the steps you will use to access the folder you want to save your document in. Desktop, download document. When you click desktop, any folder that you created in the desktop will appear here as far as you select desktop. Download, any folder that you created in the download folder, as far as you click download, then all the folders will appear here. So as for that, click the particular folder that the folder you are interested in that particular folder. Just click that folder here, then you can go and select the folder you want. I already rename it as PDF. This is how I want it. Select the save as type to PDF here, then you are good to go. Then I will just say save. Yes, my PDF document. This is my PDF document, as you can see it. Yeah, okay. Yes, later. Okay, as you can see up here, we have here PDF. As you can see, this is in PDF document. Adobe Reader. This is the application I'm using to view all my PDF file. So this is the PDF document now we have created. This document is not editable. You cannot edit this document. As you can see, you can try to delete, type, no, can't work. So this is not editable format. Any document that is in PDF is not editable. We have 3 pages. So let me just close this PDF. Then I close the Word document. This is the Word document. Let me close it. Let me say save. Yes, as you can see, let me just, yes, this is the Word document and this is the PDF document. Now let me delete the Word document. The Word document have been deleted. Now I'm having only the PDF document here. Now this document is not editable. Now you want to edit a particular word in this document that you already created in PDF format. You want to edit this particular document, but let me open it. PDF here, you cannot edit it. Nothing, you cannot edit it. No text will be changed here. So now you made a mistake here and you want to change it, but it is in PDF. How will you change it? How will you edit this document? So don't be confused, just follow the step that I will be using to convert this PDF document into a editable document. Okay, so now close this one. Now we have your PDF document. Sorry, yeah, so all you need to do, let me close this one. Close. Yes, now what you need to do, I will just go ahead and click my blank Word document. This is my blank Word document. Yes. Now you have a document saved in a folder in the desktop named convert. So all you need to do, you need to access that file. So to access that file, you need to go to backstage view here. Then you need to go to open, click open here. Then you need to go to browse. Just select browse. Select browse. This window will appear. When this window appear, then you need to go to the desktop here. Click desktop, and all the folder and file that is in the desktop will appear here. So now I need to select convert. Now when I click convert, this is the PDF document. You want to edit a particular word there, you want to change a particular word there. So now I open the convert folder, and here is the PDF document. I want to edit this one. So you just need to click the PDF document and head over and say open. Just click open. When you say open, a message will be sent to you. A message will pop up. Good, this is the message. Now what did this message say? Word will now convert your PDF. Now this blank Word documents will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The returning Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit that text, so it might not lose exactly like it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if it's in original blah blah blah. So what this message is trying to say is that when you convert your PDF document into a Word, if that particular PDF document is having a lot of pictures like shapes and other stuffs, these shapes will be shifted and position will change. Things will not be the same again. But as far as the word you want to change there is present there, you can go ahead and change the word. Everything will be in editable format. So as far as you are okay with this message, then just you can go ahead. If you want to cancel, you can cancel. You can, if you are okay, you can say okay, click okay. Then below here, this is the editable Word document. The way we created it in the beginning, this is it. This is your document now. Yes. So you can go ahead and change any word you want to change there. As you can see, you can delete as far as do everything there, because your document is now editable. Good. So guys, this is how it works. You can delete now and change any word you want to change. As far as that your PDF document is concerned, it is now editable. Follow this process, that the process and step that I use. Follow it, and then your work will be done. Thank you very much. I want to thank you guys and welcome to my channel. If you are new and this video is useful to you, just give me a thumbs up below there. If you have a problem with this video, go to the comment section, drop your comment there. As far as if you are new, just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get updated on more video. Thank you, and I appreciate you. See you when you see me into another video.